Hello again, it's Mimi from Mimi's Worms, and today I just wanted to show you how after we harvest our worms, and like these we got up yesterday, we're going to be shipping these out on Friday, so they're going to be sitting here for a couple of days, no longer than a week. We put 5 pounds in each one of these bins, that way we can tell how many worms we actually have that we can ship out. So when you are gathering for your worm or for your orders, you know how many you already have harvested, if you need to harvest more, that kind of thing. These are castings, so that when we get ready to ship them on, these will be shipped out Friday. All we have to do is resift them. We don't have to put them back under the lights. Most all of that material will come off because it's already been sifted. Those castings has already been sifted. And then we add a worm chow on top. Sometimes we put the bubble wrap with the cardboard, which I normally do. I've got to go get some more to put on these that I don't have them on. And this is what we call our cold room. It's heated and cooled. We keep these at around 60 to 65 degrees. That keeps them good and cool. Really kind of slows down their metabolism, so they're wandering and eating, and you know, we're just trying to keep them calm until we get ready to ship them out. You know, this way you can, let's see if I can. See, we've just got these ready to be shipped Friday. Like I said, you just want to keep them good and healthy until it's time to ship. Beautiful worms. Oh my goodness. So we also do that for our Euros. Here we have these in mortar trays. So we have about 10 pounds to a mortar tray on the Euros. And you just want to keep them moist and keep them fed. Don't put a whole lot of food in there because you don't want any of that left when you go to harvest. So, like right now, our temperature in here is about, right now it's about 67 degrees. But, you know, it's quite cool in here. They're not trying to roam or anything. We have our bucket sprayer to keep it moist, and yeah, so that's how we store them until we get ready to ship. All right, you guys have a wonderful day, and we'll see you again. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please like, subscribe, and share. You know, just that little old click, even if it's just a like, you don't even have to subscribe, just hit the like button. It helps our algorithm, and we appreciate you guys so much. And we have started some courses if you guys want to learn from me, and they're very inexpensive. So check us out on our website at www.mimisworms.com, and follow us. We've got a lot of information there that's free, and then we have our courses, and we look forward to you on our next video. Have a wonderful day.